In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find the recorder app that's already on your Samsung and click on it. Then tap on while using and allow in all available pop-ups, and before recording, click on those three lines on the left. Then select this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those options however you want to before recording. When you finished, go back and click on this red button at the bottom to start. Hit allow, and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To add a bookmark, click on this one at the top on the right. To listen to it while recording, pause it, swipe it on the track and click on play button on the left. Hit allow. And to fix anything, you can record, overlay the current recording. To do that, pick a part you wanna correct and use red button to record over it. Then click on the same one and go back to the end to continue. Now, if you wanna end and save your recording, just click on this square on the right. Then name it and hit save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, you can use all of those options at the bottom, like skip silences, repeat so it will play on repeat, and speed.
And as you can see,
you can also skip it 5 seconds each way. If you want to manage your bookmarks, click on this icon on the left. If you want to add a new one, click on this one on the right while listening. To manage your recording, you can also click on those three dots at the top right corner and select one of those options. Like thanks to scissors icon here, you can edit it. For example, I want to get rid of this part, so I need to select it, tap on scissors and tap on delete selected area. Then hit save and tap on replace or save as new recording. To manage any of your recordings on the list, you can hold chosen one and use those options, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!